Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit Ton in Tonkeeper wallet. So in order to do it, I'm going to use my Bybit application, but you can even use any other exchanges in which you have your Ton coin. So you just have to launch your app in which you have Ton coin, which in my case is Bybit. So you just have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and tap on withdraw. Over here, use the search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you need to search for Ton. Once you are able to find Ton, you will be landed on this on-chain section where you need to fill out these details. Here, it will ask you to first provide the address. So, in order to get the address, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet and then tap on the receive button on the home page. Once you do that, you are going to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to tap on copy in order to copy this address, then come back to Bybit and paste the address in this section. After that, in the memo, you don't need to actually paste anything because this option is optional, as you can see over here. After that, in the amount, you need to enter the amount that you want to transfer and then tap on the withdraw button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to wait for some time until your transaction is completed, and once this step is done, you will get your Ton coin in your Tonkeeper wallet and it will show you on the home page. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.